Install the Gen 3 throttle control. It is the latest version of the Excel throttle control. It comes to you with everything in the bag pre-packaged for you. You're going to need, in my case, I needed 3 basic tools. I needed an Allen wrench to remove my old bar end weight. I needed an Allen wrench to adjust the internal adjuster, a little pair of wire cutters to cut the wire ties that hold the unit together as you receive it. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the old bar end weight. It may come out very hard due to the fact that BMW likes to put a lot of red Loctite on some of their bolts. Take it off, set it off to the side, open up your package, comes with a business card. It'll come with a little white piece of shim stock. This shim stock is used to set the initial clearance on the adjuster wheel. It goes in behind there like so, in between the black part and the notched wheel. When you get the unit from me, this clearance will already be set. This is just for future reference if you were to move the unit and put it on a different bike. Everything is set in the exact position it needs to be other than the internal adjuster. Do not change anything else other than the internal adjuster. So I'm going to cut the wire ties. Looking down inside, you can see the little hex-shaped internal adjuster that was used in my application. Depending on your application, there could be several different types of internal adjusters. The ones like this, you turn in and out with your fingers. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take, in this case I had 2 clutch plates on my unit. I'm going to slip them over the end of the bar. Your unit may only have 1, so don't get alarmed by that. I'm going to put it up against the end of my throttle, and I'm going to turn my throttle. Okay, right now my throttle is still snapping shut, which means I need to put more end pressure on it. To do that, I'm going to reach down inside with the Allen wrench and screw the internal adjuster in just a little. Okay, I took it too far. So I'm going to back it out just a hair. Okay, right now it'll hold for a second and it starts to back off. That's the point you want to achieve. At that point, take your bolt. In this case, my unit came with a special bolt. If you need one, it will come with it. Snug the unit up. It's still creeping on me. That's good. It's not locked. I like to have the little ball rotated around about the position it's in now. I can reach over with my little finger to engage it, and I can push down on my little finger to disengage it. That's totally your preference. So I'm going to tighten it up. It's creeping a little bit. So what I'll do, I'll reach over here and turn the adjuster a little bit. Now it's going to hold it. It'll hold your throttle wherever you want it. Even with it engaged, your throttle can be open and closed at will anytime you want it. It never locks the throttle. So you will set your adjustment to get the throttle at the speed you're wanting to hold by using this external notched wheel out here to give you your final adjustment. That concludes the installation of the Gen 3 throttle control.